Did you know there are trillions of microbes living inside your body, influencing everything from digestion to immunity, even your mental health? These microscopic allies form your microbiome, and scientists are unlocking its secrets to revolutionize medicine. The microbiome is a community of bacteria, fungi, and other microorganisms that live primarily in your gut. While we've known about their existence for decades, recent breakthroughs show they're more than just passive residents. They're active players in your health. Imbalances in the microbiome, or dysbiosis, have been linked to chronic diseases like inflammatory bowel disease, obesity, and even mental health disorders like anxiety and depression. That's where microbiome therapeutics come in, targeted treatments designed to restore balance and heal from within. One of the most promising applications is fecal microbiota transplantation, or FMT. It involves transferring healthy gut bacteria from a donor to a patient to treat conditions like recurrent C. difficile infections, a potentially life-threatening disease that standard antibiotics often fail to cure. Probiotic supplements are one step toward harnessing the microbiome, but researchers are taking it further. Pharmaceutical companies are developing microbiome-based drugs to treat everything from diabetes to cancer. For example, therapies like live bacterial consortia are engineered to deliver therapeutic benefits directly to the gut. The gut-brain axis is another exciting frontier. Your gut and brain are connected through a complex network of nerves and biochemical signals. Microbiome targeting therapies aim to influence this connection to treat depression, anxiety, and even neurodegenerative diseases like Parkinson's. The future of microbiome therapeutics lies in personalization. Imagine treatments tailored to your unique microbiome composition, offering precise solutions for chronic illnesses and improving overall well-being. It's a powerful example of healing from the inside out. Want to learn more about how cutting-edge biotech is changing healthcare? Subscribe and hit the bell for your weekly dose of innovation.